Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to save .webp images as JPG and PNG in Windows 10 or 11. So firstly open Chrome browser. Now here type Chrome Web Store. Now here search extension Save Images as type. So search this extension, press enter. Now select it, then click on add to Chrome. Now add extension. Now click here and pin this extension. Now guys, once you try to save any image, so you will see this option, save image as JPG, PNG or WEBP. So you can save this image as your need. You want to save as JPG, so select it, and also you can save as PNG. So this is the way guys you can save images as your need. Thanks for watching. Please comment on this video useful for you or not, and please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.